Tozan. There's this say that says you can't pour from an empty cup. But are we aware that such says they're like music? We understand the lyrics of music differently based on different situations, different times, different moments, different events. And one song can have more than one meaning depending on your mood on that time, or depending on an environment at that time. There are songs that you like to you love them, you can dance for them, whether you know how to dance or not. But the fact that you heard that song at the funeral, and it's a total and opposite sex, not opposite sex, an opposite environment compared to where you first heard it, or it's a totally different events, then you'll realize, how can they play these songs? And it's the same song that you like, but on that particular day, you'll ask yourself, but what, how come the same thing, like you can't pour from an empty cup? It depends who says that to you. And people may say it, everybody might use that term to you, but it takes a specific person to say it in such a way that you'll understand it, or what does it mean. I don't know if you need a video about it. I do have it in my mind, but you are the producer of Kokobati Nimbata TV. I'm just a presenter. I'm just somebody who's assigned by the ancestors to present those topics that you like to learn about. I've just learned, Oguti, what does it really mean, or you can pour from an empty cup. I've learned it. It's something that I've just heard it again, and I had a deep thoughts about it, Oguti. If I were to do a video about it, how it can help another